Hey, I'm Woody.
I'm Kleiny, and this is Extra Helpings.
Now, if cooking with the stars is the main meal, then we are definitely the dessert you can't do without.
So grab a spoon and get ready to dig in, because here's what's coming up.
Oh!
And laggy.
Shirley Ballas gives us a dance masterclass.
Make sure that's not looking like a spatula out the kitchen, okay?
Chrissy Baber sets us a cook-off challenge.
It's all about who can get the perfect rise on their souffle.
Fred Siriex teaches us about the finer things in life.
I'm smelling
Wine.
wine, and we teach Tristan a lesson he'll never forget.
But first, it's time for...
Denise, congratulations. It's week 4. You're still in the competition.
I know, can you believe it?
Now, we want to get to know you a little bit better here on Extra Helpings, okay? You've got facts.
Yep.
Right? We've got to guess whether they're true or false.
Now, if we get them wrong, we get shocked.
Do you have a little
so
look?
we've got
Yeah,
a true or
please
false.
do.
Ready?
Yes, not going to be.
That's what me and Woody
Nice
are going to be
for us.
taking on the tuchus.
Oh, that's gonna hurt.
It's going to hurt. You ready?
And you're going to be in control of these, right? So make sure you press the right one.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah? You
All
ready
right.
for this?
Yeah, I'm ready
Cool.
for it.
Right, let's do it. Oh, okay, hold on. Oh, I'm got nervous. I don't know if I can do this, Denise.
You'll be
Are they
fine.
hard? Are they hard questions?
I think they're quite easy. I've tried to keep it quite simple.
Okay.
Just want to test that they're working first.
Did you do it? I just got whacked in the face by Kleiny.
That's so bad.
Oh no, don't look, I
your
feel really
fingers slip there?
mean. Do you know when we have to stand in front of the judges to
Yeah.
critique our food?
Yeah.
When you get a bad comment, this is what it feels like.
Okay.
Would you like to test it?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm absolutely
sure?
fine.
Okay.
I'll stick to the cooking.
Okay.
Right, come
Okay,
on,
all right.
calm
So
yourself, sit
scared
yourself
about
down.
This is bad.
Just stay calm, take a deep breath.
Okay.
Right.
No.
I was voted Rear of the Year in 1997. Is it true or false?
3, 2, 1.
Correct.
Yeah! Get in there!
Get in there! I know my rear of the year.
Do you know this Rear of the Year?
There it is. Extra helpings.
put that in.
We love it. Well done, Woody.
Ready? Take a deep breath. My first showbiz job was modelling knitting patterns at the age of 7. True or false?
Your first showbiz job.
Modelling.
You said it was going to be easy.
That's difficult.
Think about it.
Okay, I'm gonna go. Oh, I've got my answer. You ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Oh, that's bad, Denise. Denise. Oh, God, my rear of the
You
year's
know
hurt me.
what? You need to know your knitting patterns. In 2020, I appeared as the character Prue Wallace in the Australian soap Neighbours.
I'm scared about this.
Okay, please, hold on, okay. Hold on. Please. No!
You know
He's wrong! Why me?
It is true. I recorded it. I was in Australia in 2019 and it was on all last year.
Okay, guys, that was the shocking truth with Denise Van Outen. Thanks for coming. Back to the studio.
Thanks for whatever we're going. My ass is killing me.
Oh, you're here. It's my favorite week. It's French week. I had a lot of fun picking one of the wine for one of the chef's dishes, and I've got this fantastic Bourgogne Blanc. It's 100% Chardonnay, very vibrant, very crisp, lots of peach flavors and lots of lemon, and it will be perfect for Jacques Bourride of sea bass, sole and langoustines. So boys, it's been 4 weeks, right?
It's been 4 weeks.
So your wine knowledge has improved now.
You might as well call us wine connoisseurs, if anything. Fred.
Experts.
Experts, right.
Sam.
I've got a game for you. Lingo, bingo.
Wow, that sounds interesting.
Of course, it's only wine, lingo, bingo.
Wine, lingo, bingo.
So if you get it right, you get a point.
Yeah.
You've got to tell me one descriptive word for each of these wine.
It'll be easy.
It's too easy
It's
for
gonna be
me.
too easy for us, Fred.
Light phones on.
Let's do it, Woods.
Okay, first wine. Côte de Provence. Crisp, dry, strawberry and floral. Just smell it first. Smell it, drink it.
I'm smelling
Wine.
wine, but is there like bananas?
I don't think there's any bananas here.
Is it vanilla?
No.
Strawberries.
That's right.
1 point for Kleiny.
Riesling, citrus, peach, honey and mineral. So, what have you got in there?
Wine.
Wine.
Is there strawberries in this one as well?
Do you think there is?
No.
No, there isn't.
Oh, there isn't.
What about
Okay.
rhubarb?
No.
Tell us what's in this.
Very citrusy,
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
lots of lemon,
Yeah,
peach.
lemon.
Yeah, it's very citrusy.
1 point for Fred.
All right.
Cheers.
Did you high five? Yeah, Fred.
Yeah.
Yes, here you are. Your
Oh, sorry, I thought you were sticking for a high five. Sorry.
classic RIOJA. Vanilla, spice, blackberry and wood.
Oh, it's got right up the nose. Nice.
Oh, wow, yeah.
That's red. It has a different sort of smell about it. Can really.
Am I right in saying a bit of smokiness to it?
Yeah, I was going to say that.
You're right.
Yeah, bit of
Yeah.
smokiness. Wood, it's like wood.
That's right.
I'm really tasting the wood.
Like that's a sort of like you could put a little aftershave on that.
But you're getting better, guys.
I'm really
Especially
feeling this.
you.
Thank you, Fred. Appreciate it, mate.
Teacher's pet over
Yeah.
there.
Woo.
Well done. Guys, you can try all these wines and find them all at Marks & Spencer. See you next week.
Previously on Extra Helpings.
Have we started a war?
What we didn't know is they had prepared a spicy challenge for us. Alright guys, so it's been 2 weeks since Tristan pranked us and we've been plotting our revenge ever since.
Now, we've just organised an interview with him where at the end of it he thinks we're going to be doing a challenge and the loser gets a pie. However, what's really going to happen
Is we're just gonna shock him. And he's not gonna know about it. Unlucky Tristan, here goes.
Okay, Tristan.
Yes.
What's it like in the studios? Is it electric down there?
Oh, it's really electric. I mean, the atmosphere is incredible.
What was the most like shocking thing you've seen in the series?
You two.
What is the difference between cooking on a gas cooker
Yeah.
and an electric one?
Oh, right, that's easy. So gas, it's on and it's on, but with electric, you can turn it on, off, and then as high as you like.
What moves quicker than the speed of light?
Hang on. What moves quicker than the speed of light?
What moves quicker?
What's that got to do with cooking?
I'll tell you what,
What?
you do.
You two are going down! Come on, you two! Get this! Oh, you lot!
Shirley's souffle didn't rise to the occasion and she became the 4th star to leave the show.
So here to show us how it should be done is M&S's chef, Chrissy Baber!
Chrissy.
One thing to point out straight away is those amazing recipes from the chefs are going to be available on recipe cards and in store, and you can buy all the ingredients in M&S. Soufflés, French week, we're going to do it all from scratch, start to finish, and I've got a little challenge along the way.
Oh, nice.
See if we can even out the scoreboards a little bit.
I'm going for the win here.
Going for the win?
I need the win.
For the meringue, add the egg whites to a bowl and whisk until the egg whites reach soft peaks. Add the caster sugar and continue to whisk until semi-firm peaks have been formed. While the eggs whisk, add the chocolate and cream to a bowl. Place over a pan of simmering water and let it melt. Remove from the heat, let it cool, then whisk in the egg yolks. For the soufflés, mix 1 large spoonful of the meringue into the chocolate mixture. Fold in the rest of the meringue carefully, you don't want to knock out all the air like Shirley. Divide the mixture between the soufflé dishes, fill them to the brim, then level off. With the tip of your finger, create a rim around the edge of the ramekin. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes until well risen and golden on top.
It's time for the Woody versus Kleiny challenge. Now boys, it's all about who can get the perfect rise on their souffle.
Good luck, Woods.
Matt, yeah, good luck, mate.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, let's go for it.
This. Poetry in motion, boys.
Whose is looking better at the moment, Chris?
Both on par at the minute, I think,
Yep.
boys.
Do I need to add?
Yeah, a bit more chocolate. Don't want to over mix it. I think you're looking,
How's that, mate?
it's looking decent. Now into the ramekins.
There we go.
Be careful with it, you know.
Really?
It's a labour of love making a souffle. Keep the air in there. Try and fill them up as much as you can. So you would just level it off with a palette knife,
Yeah.
and then you need to rim it, is what you need to do.
Right, okay.
So-
That's the important part.
Use the edge of your thumb.
I'll thumb it.
Yeah. The idea of doing that is to help get the rise straight up, so you haven't got it stuck to the sides.
Okay.
Well, I know whose is whose, so I'm going to go and put them in the oven.
Hold on, Chris.
Oh, wait, what's that? Whose is that?
So I can reveal this, Woody, is yours. And we've had a bit of a...
Wait, is that mine?
These are two of yours.
Is that mine?
So Kleiny is taking the win.
Hey, finally, I've got one back.
Can
Look
it
at
go?
that.
Oh, look at this. Can we dig in,
Yeah,
Chris?
dig in.
Can we dig
Get
in?
stuck into
Yeah.
it.
Let's get it.
Right, I'm gonna go. Oh wow.
Should be nice and light and fluffy.
I've got to say, mine is incredible. Just puts a smile on your face, doesn't
Yeah,
it, Chris?
it does.
It does.
Light as a feather, that.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thanks, Chris.
And well done, Kleiny. You
Thank you,
deserve that,
mate.
mate. Well done.
Cheers, Woody. Better luck next week.
Well done.
Come on.
Cooking with the Stars, Condensed.
It was French week, and our 5 stars were feeling the pressure.
First up, Shirley v Johnny.
Shirley was cooking by numbers.
Put the green beans in the pan for 2 minutes.
Johnny had butterfingers.
And burnt fingers.
John, how's your hand?
Agonising, but I'll get the thank you.
But he still managed to impress the judges.
This was excellent.
Next up, Harry v AJ v Denise.
I know just by looking at him that I'm breaking his little heart.
AJ's technique was troubling Jack.
Oh, I just needed to get...
Denise was determined not to foul things up.
Harry cooked a delicious sauce.
The chicken was perfect, but the sauce was not.
But forgot to put it on the plate.
Due to forgetting the sauce, Harry, I'm sending you to the cook-off.
So it was Shirley v Harry in the cook-off.
Who could make the best souffle?
I'm feeling the nerves, yeah, I know. I've got about 3 seconds.
I'm trying to fold. I've got no idea what fold means.
It was Harry. So we said au revoir to Shirley.
It's okay.
Which leads us nicely to...
The exit interview!
She's our 4th star to leave the competition. It's Shirley and her mentor, Joe. In the cook-off tonight, where do you think it went wrong?
Well, I thought I did a really good dish. I executed it in time, and then off it went back to the judges. And as I was standing there, I was thinking to myself, I feel like I've missed out an element.
Ooh. Did you notice that, Joe?
So I noticed that the souffle hadn't risen because
Was you like waving or anything?
Listen, I'm not there. I'm sitting patiently in my judging room waiting for the thing to arrive, you know.
Yes.
2 really important elements of that dish. The staple characteristic of a souffle is that rise, and once one came in without it, the decision was made. You did your best, and that's all I have ever and can ever ask from you, you know.
Now, Shirley, you're used to obviously judging people on Strictly. What was it like being on the receiving end of that?
Well, I've been a competitor all my life, and I've been in an industry where nobody is very complimentary. So I had absolutely no problem with the critique whatsoever. I think that they got the right person in the semi-final.
Now, Joseph, Shirley was doing this for her mum. Has she done her proud?
Oh, without a doubt.
Yeah.
Getting a perfectly cooked piece of sole after only having cooked it about 3 times, that is a feat and a half. To leave is disappointing, but to leave on a high, I don't think there's any better way to do it.
Well done, Shirley.
Do I get to rate him out of 10?
Oh, yes, go on, let's do it.
As a Strictly judge, there would not be a paddle high enough for you.
Oh.
teaching ability, your patience, and what's more, forget this competition, your mother should be so proud of the son that she's raised.
That is lovely.
Getting a bit emotional with it. Yeah, get a bit emotional. Shirley, obviously Joseph has taught you how to cook, but what we want to know on Extra Helpings...
I can see where this is going already.
Can you teach him how to dance right here, right now?
Right, guys?
Come on, who wants to see it?
Bring your arms down all the way here.
Yeah.
Then you're going to bring them up, and then you're going to bring your elbows where they bend, and you'll be able to see your left hand out the corner of your eye.
Yeah.
And then that hand goes down like this.
I feel like a scarecrow.
Make sure that's not looking like a spatula out the kitchen, okay? And then you stand there, Joe, and I will come in. I will take this hand. Now look left, Joe. Now go from foot to foot, Joe. Are you ready? Foot to foot.
Yeah.
That's it, Joe.
Okay.
That, and you see you're changing, you're changing weight from foot to foot. You've got a lovely posture going on there. Your neck is in a good place, and what's more, you feel very comfortable, Joe.
Oh, do I?
You do.
Okay.
Sorry, everybody's falling over.
Now, the big question that we all want to know, Shirley, me and Kleiny want to know it, everyone at home wants to know it, and everyone in the studio, right? Yeah! We want to know who you think is going to take that title come the end of the season. Who's going to be the winner?
Oh, well, you know, anything can happen. You get one step wrong and you're out. But I think it'll be tight between AJ and Denise.
Oh! You heard it here first.
Wow. Guys, thank you so much for coming on Extra Helpings. No one goes home empty-handed. Oh, no. What we've got for you is a Percy Pig mascot.
That's Joe.
There you go, Shirley.
That is fantastic. Oh, my...
Shirley and Joseph, everybody. It's time for the Percy Pig Challenge! Very tasty.
All you have to do, you have to place a Percy Pig biscuit on your forehead. You need to move it down your face using just your facial muscles and into your mouth.
I've got news for you.
What's that?
Go on.
I've had Botox. I've got no facial muscles.
Well, the good thing there is that's both of us. And I managed to do it.
Okay.
So you're both up against the clock. Fastest time come the end of the series wins.
Come on, Joe, do it for
I'm
us.
going to try my absolute best, I promise.
All together.
3, 2, 1, go!
There we go. Take your time. If it drops, get a new one. Oh, unlucky Shirley. Take your time.
Okay.
There you go. There's no rush. Don't rush it. Shirley's doing great here.
That's it.
Shirley, don't rush it. Don't rush it.
Your head still needs to be back a bit, Shirley, because you have done it in 26 seconds! That takes you straight to the top of the leaderboard! Guys, thank you so much for joining us on Extra Helpings. Everybody, Joe and Shirley!
That was incredible. You smashed that.
Thanks for watching, guys. For even more Extra Helpings and some tasty stuff from M&S, click right here.
And don't forget to subscribe to the M&S YouTube channel by clicking down here.